Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Fortnite game error, and the error is an error occurred while initializing. Please try again later, and the error code is ESP-INIT-001. So if you're getting this error in the Fortnite game, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to delete the Fortnite game folder from the %localappdata%. Now first of all, close the Fortnite game and the Epic Games launcher. So if you're playing the Fortnite game, then make sure Fortnite game is closed and also make sure Epic Games launcher is closed. So click on this arrow icon in the system tray, right click on Epic Games and then click on exit. This will exit the Epic Games launcher. Now in Windows search type run and in the run type %localappdata% and then click on OK. Now look for the Fortnite game folder. Here it is. It contains the saved folder. So if you want to keep the backup of this folder before deleting it, then you can keep it if you want to, or else simply right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead relaunch the Epic Games launcher. And then launch the Fortnite game and check if your error is fixed or not. Next solution is to verify the game files. So open Epic Games launcher, click on this three dot next to the Fortnite game and then click on manage, and then next to the verify files click on verify, and after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now if you are on PS5, then clear system software cache. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Now press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound, and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press the PS button. Now use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select clear system software cache and then click on OK. It will then clear system cache and your PS5 will restart automatically. And when your PS5 gets restarted, then you can go ahead launch the Fortnite game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are on Xbox, then clear the Fortnite cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for the Fortnite game and highlight it. Then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Then click on save data reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. Now you can go ahead launch the Fortnite game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then clear the Xbox cache. So turn off your Xbox console and unplug it. Unplug all the accessories connected to the console. Leave the console unplugged for 2 minutes. Now press and hold the power button while the console is unplugged. Now reconnect the power cord. Turn on your Xbox Series S or X, and then you can launch the Fortnite game and then check if your error is fixed or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, whether you're playing the Fortnite on PC, PS5 or Xbox, then simply uninstall Fortnite, then restart your gaming device and then reinstall the Fortnite game and then check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Fortnite error. An error occurred while initializing. Please try again later, and the error code is ESP-INIT-001. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.